Hello, everyone. It is Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing. This is the Who Dat teacher. I am back to teach you another line dance. This is a classic. I looked it up. It's been out at least 13 or 14 years, okay? So it is a four-wall dance that moves clockwise. It's called Happy Feeling. And I'm going to give you the step-by-step instruction. Before I do, if you're located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the step-by-step instructions. What about the music? Let's dance together. I'm going to post it at the end of this video. Okay? Guys, make sure you check out the 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, the NOLA Southern Experience. Say it again, the NOLA Southern Experience, July the 16th through the 19th, 2026. You say, Linda, that's next year. Yes, but registration opens this year, June 1st, 2025. Everything takes place at our website. Do not call the hotel. Do not Google it. Go to our website. Read about the event itself, registration, and you can book your room at www.lmiunola.com. Are you ready? Let's go, guys. So, it's called Happy Feeling. So this will be our next wall. The dance move clockwise. So we're going to start with a right left. So I'm going to turn it to the side, but we're going back to this wall. This is our wall. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to go right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Okay? Again, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Okay? 5, 6, 7, and right, left, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, left, 1, 2. Okay? Let's do that. 5, 6, 7. On the right. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Again, I'm going to count it out. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and. 7 and is on the left. And you're going to kick on 8. Okay? So we're going to kick on, the last step was on our left, and we're going to kick on the right. 5, 6, 7. Right up. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and kick. Kick on 8. So when we kick on 8, we're going to do a kick and cross. Kick and cross. Kick and cross. Kick and cross. Kick and cross and kick. So we started the kick on the right, and we're going to end the kick on the right. Okay, that's 8. And as you kick and cross, we're going to move back. We're kicking first. Kick and cross, and we're moving it back. All right, so let's start with the kick. 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Yes, ending on 8. So if you don't know how many kicks you're doing, just count with me, okay? Here we go. 5, 6, 7. 8 is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. All right? So let's put that together with the step drag, starting at the top. 5. So, point of reference, that step drag is moving up, and that kick, cross, and kick is moving back, okay? 5, 6, 7, move it up. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8 is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Step left and right. So our last kick was on the right. So you step left and right. And kind of crossing over. Left and right. And I'm going to I'm a pivot. I'm gonna do a pivot turn on my left, coming back to this wall. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left, right, coming back to this wall. All right. So let's go back to the top. Let's do a review. We do the step drag. We kick and cross. Kick and cross. Kick and cross. Kick and cross. Kick, step left and right over left. We pivot and we pivot. Step, pivot, turn, step, pivot, turn. Making a full turn. All right. From the top. 5, 6, 7. Right up. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, kick. 8, cross. 1 and 2, back. 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Left. 1, 2, cross. 3, 4, pivot. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is on my right. Look at my left heel is up. So I'm going to cross over. Left, right, left. Right, left, right. Simple enough. Left, right, left. Right, left, right. Then I'm going to step on my left. Forward on my left. Step, scuff, right, left. Making a quarter turn to my left. So what did I do? Step on the left, scuff, quarter turn, right, left. Okay, so how that looks. So let's cross it over. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, step 5, step 6, step 7, 8. Right, left. Let's do that again. I'm crossing over. Left, right, step left, forward on that left, scuff right, make that quarter turn, step on the right, and then down and tap on the left. Step on the left. Okay, now let's put that together. We do our step drag, our cross and kick. We step left and right over left. We do that pivot, step pivot, full turn, and then we cross. Left, left, right, forward on the left, scuff right, left. Quarter turn to our left. Okay? 5, 6, 7, right up. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, kick. 8, cross. 1 and 2, back. 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Left. 1, 2, right. 3, 4, pivot. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross it over. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Left. 5, turn 6, 7, 8. Right, left. 7, 8. Now, this is how we're going to turn. So, we turned with our right shoulder going forward. Now we're going to make a half turn with our left shoulder going forward. Half turn from this wall. So the wall behind us. So I went right, left. Now I'm going to tap out left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, tap 8. End of dance. So I kick out 7 times. And that last time I tap down. Okay? And remember, you gotta, I step left, right, left. And I'm gonna kick out left. Left. My left shoulder's gonna come forward, half turn, the wall behind me. Left, right, tap right. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, tap 8. Tap it down on the right. This is our next wall. We started at this wall here. So it moves clockwise. So this is your next wall. So you already know your next wall is going to be to your right, coming around. All right? So let's put it together. 5, 6, take it up. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, kick. 8, back. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Pivot. 5, 6, 7, 8, cross 1 and 2, 3 and 4, step 5, scuff 6, step 7, 8, left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Did you get it? Let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, right up. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, kick. 8 is 1 and 2, back 3 and 4, and 5 and 6, then 7 and 8, left 1, 2, cross 3, 4, pivot 5, 6, 7, 8, cross 1 and 2, cross 3 and 4, left 5, scuff 6, right 7, left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. There you go. It's a 32 count dance, and you're doing the same thing at each wall. That's called Happy Feeling. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think. I want to give a shout out to everyone that always leave me a comment. I appreciate you. I would love to see y'all guys at the NOLA Southern Experience, July the 16th through the 19th, 2026. If you've never been, ask around. Ask around. It's a great event, 4-day event here in New Orleans. All the details are on our website. Any questions you can possibly have is right there on the website, www.liunola.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.